Okay, so this is the finished product. I'm just gonna open one of them because I'm gonna freeze a lot of this. But this is the one we're about to tear into. It actually looks really good. So, spoon. Not sure what that is. Pork or chicken. It's hot. That's what it is. Homony's good. Pork. Oh, it's really good. Highly recommend. Kind of just falls apart. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and sorry for a quick little to do here at the end, but tear and do a little more. Anyway, figured I'd make at least one more to show you guys the finished product. You can serve this. I'm going to serve this up in bowls, so you can just imagine that. And I'll see you guys later.